From Montag-Steins and Clarks in St. Goa, and I just got a new delivery in directly from the Black Forest, so we do a little unpacking, and of course later on I show you the new clock. So come a bit closer and then we'll unpack this together. So this is usually how a clock gets to us, and of course later on to you. So here first of all we have the certificate from the VDS, we have the instructions in many different languages. Here's from company Hönes. They also always have a hook and a dowel in here. And then this is all nicely wrapped. So here we have a brand new design, which I thought was very nice, but you will find later on why. Yeah, this is all hand painted. Yeah, it's all wood, of course, hand carved. So it's a very colorful one, and this is a head carving. Here you see the little screws, they get attached later. And here we also have a lovely hand done screw pendulum. Yeah, so this is of course very important that we put those parts separately. Also here then we always suggest put the things always nice back together in case you ever move with the clock, that you have the original packaging. So this one here is packed with styrofoam, which is very nice. Yeah, this makes things a lot easier. So there you have the clock. It's a 8-day clock with music. So we have 3 big weights. They actually go out very smoothly, which is very good. Sometimes they're very tight. Yeah, this one is very tight. This one goes easier. So, and then of course the hard piece very smoothly and gentle. So little styrofoam. So yeah, here it is. Yeah, you see the birds here with the rings. So when people get married or celebrate a long marriage already, this is all very nice memory piece. And here you see the little hooks. There later on you attach the clock. As you see here, the door we have to open, yeah, so that the cuckoo is able to come out. On the front here we don't have to do anything. Then as usual on the back we pop the little hook open here. We open the inside. Yeah, there we have a little secure paper, so this doesn't wiggle around during transportation. So this we take off. Yeah, and here that's very important for the pipe bellow. You have to pull that out so the pipe bellow is able to move. This is one long one. Sometimes you have 2. That's always a bit different from the clock. So that's it for the back side. Yeah, we pop this back in, close it. A bit difficult sometimes with one hand. Yeah, this is now closed. And then underneath here we have the wire, what we have to unwire with the chain. Yeah, this is also that the chain doesn't fall into the clock. Very important. This is also one of the most important things which you have to do once you travel with the clock or once you move. Yeah, that the chains don't fall into the clock or off the wheel inside, because then of course the mechanism cannot do his work anymore. So that's very important. So this is now untightened. Then we can pull that through. And now it's important that you don't tilt the clock upside down anymore. And here then we have the weights. So that's pretty much it for unpacking this nice thing here. I just show you that and how is this gonna look like. I tightened that then up with a little screwdriver later on. First in here and then in here. So here you see the whole detail. And as soon as I put it on the wall with all the weights, I will give you a closer look once it's running. So now we finally hang the clock up, and then it's of course the regular cuckoo. And then it plays 2 tunes. the well-known Edelweiss and Happy Wanderer. Yeah. So everything here on this clock is made out of wood. It's a shingle from the side, yeah, and also on the roof. It's completely shingled all around. So it's a very lovely clock from, well, all perspectives. That's also with an automatic shut off, which means you only have to adjust the clock once, and then it will be silent for 12 hours. Here we have the nice pendulum again. Yeah, the bird family with the 2 rings. If you have any questions or need any more information about that clock, feel free to put them in the comments below.